Following the adultery scandal, disgraced Michigan coach Sherrone Moore yucks it up in court, while his wife Kelli looks at him with daggers. Moore, she can't stand it any longer. When disgraced former University of Michigan football coach Sherrone Moore appeared in court on Thursday, for the first time since being accused of making threats against his assistant-turned-mistress, his grim-faced wife gave him a harsh look. At the Ann Arbor status hearing, Moore, 39, was seen yucking it up with his attorney, while Kelli, his stone-faced wife and mother of his 3 children, remained idly by his side. The former Wolverines coach, wearing a dark gray suit and black tie, grinned a few weeks after being charged with felony home invasion and stalking in connection with the December 10th incident. Moore, who earned $5.5 million a year as head coach, is charged with breaking into Paige Shivers' house shortly after he was sacked due to their connection. According to officials, Moore allegedly took kitchen scissors and butter knives once inside before making a suicide threat. "I intend to end my own life. I'll force you to observe. You have my blood on your hands." He is said to have yelled, "You've ruined my life." The mistress apparently ended their 2-year tryst, which led to the sad story. After the troubled coach allegedly called and texted her nonstop for 2 days, she finally told the school about the alleged affair. Moore, who had been the team's coach for 2 seasons, was later fired for lying during the university's investigation and for what the school called an inappropriate relationship with a staff member. His wife had frantically contacted 911 in the hours following his dismissal, expressing her concern that he was going to hurt himself. "I'm concerned that my spouse will harm himself." In dispatch audio, a desperate Kelli asked, "Can you guys track his phone?" She replied, "He just called to tell me he was fired from his job, and he's in a crisis. I don't know where he is, but I told him I love him and I need him to come home." He claimed to be on a freeway. Following the accusations, Moore's spouse has remained loyal to her husband, showing up with him at all public events. Moore, on the other hand, has entered a not guilty plea to 3 charges, including stalking and felony home invasion. While on bail, he is required to wear a tracking device.